Hey there, how you doing? Charlie Winters here. Well, just a quick update. So I've been looking at the selections for Saturday, and I didn't realise that there's quite a few inspections for Saturday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it um, until about or until we know what's going off Saturday. So I'm going to leave selections up until I should be having a look in the morning and seeing what's happening. Um, yeah, so we had a good day on Friday. 14-1 winner, 5-4 winner each way. So that was 11-4. That was skinny 11-4, and I wouldn't take the prize. Then it was backed into 5-4, made to work. But I think the jockey always thought he was going to win because it was apart from jumping the last, it was pretty much just riding it without resorting to the whip. And it wasn't until he pretty much jumped the last or heading towards the last that he resorted to the whip. Where I still think he thought he'd won anyway. Um, and then we had two placed horses. Well, the first placed horse was it called Cinderbella? Cinderbella, I think it were. So going very nicely. I think it became unbalanced after clipping one of the hurdles. Dropped to last. You would normally think that there'd been nothing to come. To be fair, the jockey got right stuck into it. I think her name was Megan. Well, her name is still is Megan Bevan, I think, or Miss or Mrs. Megan Bevan. I tell you what, she really got stuck into it. Um, so I'll be keeping an eye on her in future. So she did well to get fourth place again. No, in fact, I think it came third in the end. Um, and then Musical Slave travelled very nicely for a very long way. And I tell you what, I thought that would happen. I don't think it quite gets home over those marathon trips. It travels really well. I think it didn't help, or it doesn't help, with the horse being keen early on. It was a bit clumsy at the first couple. It warmed through probably from like I don't know mile one to mile three. It got into a right rhythm, and then yeah, it just faded towards the end. So decent day. It was. I think it was a tenner on. In fact, I can't even remember how much it was to come by. Was it 43? I think. Anyway, you let me know how you got on. I know some of you sometimes like to put my bets with your own bets or Flat Cat Cam's bets. I know he's picked a couple of decent price ones today, and they've done all right. So yeah, so everybody's done well. Give me this video a like if you will, please, and then there's a very good chance that if you're not a subscriber, if you've liked this video, you'll probably be shown the next one come 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So I wish you the very best of luck. I shall see you in the morning. The very best of luck. Charlie Winters, over and out. Cheers, mate.